Rhodes, Greece, Saturday, November 30th, 2024, evening.
Κομική, έχει φύγει το βουνό, είναι μέσα στη μέση, ίσα ίσα που περνάει ένα αυτοκίνητο. Αργότερα δεν ξέρω πώς θα είναι.
The flood that occurred since the afternoon in the area of Lalyssos, due to overflowing rivers and accompanied by heavy rain, became increasingly violent at night, Saturday, November 30th, 2024. Houses were flooded, roads turned into rivers with strong currents, cars were swept away by the water, and residents asked for help. The situation is very difficult at night in Rhodes. The service call center is constantly being called for help. 112 people have been called, and residents of Ialyssos are asked to stay away from basements and ground floors. There have been many rescues of drivers from vehicles and flooded houses, while the fire department continues to operate in the area to pump out water. The roads in the area are already flooded. Volunteer groups posted on social media, asking residents to avoid crossing flooded areas. The Municipal Civil Protection has informed citizens that the Ialyssos Gymnasium 1 has been open to those in need. Citizens who have had to evacuate due to flooded settlements, and anyone who needs shelter, can head to the Ialyssos Gymnasium 1. Movements must be carried out with extreme caution and safety.
Αν δεν είναι ανάγκη να βγείτε έξω, μην βγείτε.
Χαμός.
The authorities in Rhodes are on high alert, as the massive flooding phenomenon has caused great damage, and the situation is dangerous for the population in many areas. In Rhodes, a car was swept away by the torrential waters, while there were people inside. The latest information is that the vehicle's occupants are safe, and did not suffer any injuries as a result of the destruction of the vehicle.
Είναι εκεί 20-30 από τους νερό.
Κοίτα τα κυκλίδωμα. Το κυκλίδωμα ρε, κοίτα ρε.